Welcome to Free Genuine Airdrops. This is Efogo Joseph, and in this video I'll be showing you how to buy Toncoin from the Binance exchange. If you need Toncoin for any reason, maybe you are participating in this Telegram airdrops, or you want to buy Ton to keep for the future or whatever, I will show you how you're going to get it from Binance. First, you of course would have had some coins on Binance, maybe USDT or any other thing that you want to use to buy the coin. But before we go ahead with this video, hit the subscribe button so that when next we publish new videos, you'll be notified. Okay, thank you for taking that action. Let's go ahead to Binance now to see how we're going to buy the Toncoin. Okay, this is our Binance homepage. There are two ways I'm going to show you how to buy this coin. First one is to hit the link here that says trade. That is it. This brings you directly to the spot market where you are supposed to buy from. Remember to check if you don't know how to buy other ones. Be sure that you are here. That is the one that is highlighted now. So you click on the spot market. Now, assuming you came here and you didn't see Ton. The reason why Ton USDT is open is because I just used it. Assuming you came here and you didn't see Ton and you saw something else, you just click this place. When you click it, you manually type in Ton/USDT will come out. So let's demonstrate it and see if there are other things you can see there. Okay, now let's type in Pepe, for instance. You can see that there is Pepe here now. If you want to buy Pepe, that is how you would have been able to buy Pepe. It's like that. So let's click it again and type in Ton. T-O-N. Sorry. T-O-N. Okay, you can see Ton number one there. So we'll click it. We'll click on Ton and we are brought back here. You can see that there is Ton. So that is one first way to decide how to buy Ton. Okay, so before we show you how to continue with the execution, we'll go back and show you the second method. They will end up in the same way. That is why I will not first of all conclude it here. So to do the second one, you simply come to your wallet. Your wallet is the last one on the right side, on the lower part of this, the last button here, wallet, which is situated here, under here. Just look at it, wallet. So we click on wallet and you look for Ton. Okay, so now you have Ton here. You have Ton here. You just click on Ton. Okay, this brings you to this page, but you are not yet where you are supposed to execute your business. You will look for this Ton/USDT and under trading, Ton/USDT, this one. So you click it. Now you are brought back again to the same place where we stopped. That is why I said we will not continue until I show you the second method. Now that you are here, you are going to look out for this. You are going to look out for this buy button because you want to buy. If you are selling, you will use this to say if you already have Ton. But now that you don't have Ton yet, you want to buy, you will use this button. So we don't need to take any other action now because that is the button that is highlighted, the green. So we will execute our business here. The current price of Ton is 5.718. That should be the same thing that should reflect in this box. Okay. If you come here and the price is not showing in the box, you will just click on this place, tap it, and the same price will show in this place. So let's do it now. Tap on that. You can see now the price has changed. Now, how much of this ton do you want to buy? Let's decide. And how much do I have to execute my trade? You can see here, it is showing 9.9311 USDT. That's what I have to buy my ton. Do I want to use all this to buy my ton? If I want to, I will just drag this button to this spot, which is the end of the bar. You drag it all along like this to this place. Okay? So that will give you 100% of, can you see it? So it means that I want to use everything to buy. But if I don't want to use it as it is, I can also drag it backwards 50% to 75%, 50%, 25%. Or on the other hand, I can also decide to come to this place. They say total USDT. I can click that place and type in what amount I want to use. You can see it. I just remove this and put 5 USDT. Do you see that 5 USDT will automatically give me 0.58 ton? But if I make it the full amount, sorry, if I make it the full amount, it will give me 1.73 ton. So we're going to use the full amount. Presently, the price is at 7.12. So we'll click on that and execute our trade. So we have that and 100%. So we'll click buy. Remember, this price is fluctuating. Now it has moved from 12 to 17 and our price is still at 12. Should we go ahead and execute, or will we return our price, or we'll leave it there? The price is going up. But it depends. Am I in a hurry to buy this ton? If I'm in a hurry, I will readjust again to 7.25. But if I'm not in a hurry, I will leave it at that 7.12 and click this button. Buy ton. And that is what I'm going to do because I don't want to buy it at that exorbitant rate now. So I will simply click it and leave it there. If the price goes down again, the Toncoin will be bought. So let's do that. We click on buy ton. Okay. You see the order created. Order created. So if you look down here, you will see that the order has not been executed. Open order 1 in bracket 1, showing that that order we placed is yet to be executed. The moment the order is executed, that 1 will change to 0. But the reason it's not executed right now is because the current price is 5.723, while what we placed our trade on is 5.712. So it will get to that place and execute. That is how to buy ton. So if you are in a hurry, you buy at the exact market price and it will be executed. You can see now that it is going back again to 0.71 to 19. So if we are patient enough, it will go to that 12 and execute the price and execute the trade. All right, thank you so very much. That is how to buy ton. If you find this video interesting and helpful, like it, please. Like it. Also, leave a comment and make sure that you share it with your friends and relations. Remember, if you don't know how to convert ton, if you don't know how to convert USDT to ton or other coins to ton, we have a video that we already shot on that. Just go through our channel and you'll find it. Then, if you don't also know how to execute the same business on Bybit, how to convert USDT to ton or how to buy ton on Bybit, we have 2 separate videos on that. One is on how to convert and the other one is on how to buy. Just check them out and watch them. All right, thank you. See you again in our next video.